Did you get a chance to learn any Kannada words or pick any Kannada words?
Yes, I did. I've been preparing for the press conference, but I've forgotten
We'll
everything.
do it as a rehearsal here.
Namaskara Bangalore.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ನಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಗೆ
ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯ್ತು.
ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯ್ತು.
ವಾವಣ್ಣ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಣ್ಣ.
అది కూడా ఉంది కదా అది నేర్పించండి.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿರ Can you do this?
This is the most valuable words you can tell anybody.
Yeah. If you learn this.
ಯಾಕ್ರ
ಯಾಕ್ರೋ
ಬರ್ಕಳ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ
ಬರ್ಕತ್ಲೋ ಮುಂದೆ
Anna, I have a special preparation for that, Anna.